You think your bathtub needs expensive repairs? Check me out. This tub was draining painfully slow, and the culprit, hair and soap buildup. So what we did next was pull the overflow drain cover so we have access to the line. Then we grabbed our snake and cleared this line, baby. We pulled out years of hair and debris. No harsh chemicals, just the right tools and technique. Ah, we caught something. Let's pull it out and see what we caught. It's like going fishing, just in the sewer. And there she goes. It looks so bad, but smells so good. Now watch the difference. Just a little plumbing gospel and drain cleaning love. Now last but not least, if y'all in the middle Georgia area, give your boy a call. ER Maintenance. Ray Daddy out. Let's get it.